stack it up. Told her it's mind over matter. Whether it's gonna be food on the platter. When I was down, had to catch up. If I wanted to.
Hey everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. I am coming to you guys today with a tutorial on how to shape your eyebrows. I am not going to fill in my eyebrows. That can be another video if you guys would like, but this is just to show you guys how to tame your eyebrows during this quarantine, because I know a lot of people don't know how to do their eyebrows, how to wax their eyebrows, or how to thread their eyebrows by themselves. So the materials that you would need for this video is just a spoolie and an eyebrow shaping razor. You can get these both from any beauty supply store. There are a couple open still, or you can even order it off of Amazon. So let's get started. I don't want to take too much time. What I'm gonna do, well, I actually did it already, but just to guide you guys, just brush your eyebrows into the direction that the hairs will be going in when you actually like shape your eyebrows. So what I do first is I hold down my eyelid. Don't put too much pressure on your eyelid because your eyes are very sensitive, and just come down and take the excess hair that's around your eyebrow off. If you have a unibrow or some in the middle of your eyebrows, you know, just chop, shave it off. Now, you see that the eyebrow razor is angled? Yeah, y'all can see that. So what I do is I make sure that the razor is right underneath my eyebrow, and I angle it to how much I want my eyebrow to arch. And I do the same thing I did at the top, but in this instance I'm shaving up. Then I go ahead and clean up the arch by angling my razor the same way on the side for how I want my arch to end up. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to cover everything else just so that you see my eyebrows. Let me go ahead and do the other side. Same thing. Just clean it up. Of course my eyebrows looked crazier than this, so I'm not really doing much, but this is the actual shape of my eyebrows. I don't really have to take too much off. Also, make sure that you sanitize your razor before you start, and brush off the excess here. Also, because my eyebrows are already shaped, I didn't need to do this step, but of course hair grows every which way, up, down, around town. So here's another part that you guys may or may not need. You will brush the hair again into the direction that you need. I'm gonna do this one step on two different eyebrows. One up on one side and one down on the other side. So like you can start to see, like when I brush it down, some hairs are coming out of the shape of my eyebrow. So what I would do normally is I would get a small facial scissor. I would get a small facial scissor. Brush down and just cut the hairs into the shape to give myself a sharper edge on my eyebrows. So right now I'm just cleaning things up, and I actually did need that. And this one I brushed up, so there aren't really any hairs out of place, but most of the times whenever I brush my eyebrow out, the hairs that I would need to snip are the ones on the end of my arch over here. Like I would cut this way. And that's about it. It's that simple. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, you guys can comment below. Do me a favor as well while you're commenting. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, watch out for the next video. Later, guys.